Learn present tense and the past tense in Igbo language and their English meanings. Present tense, past tense. Number one word is sie, meaning cook. Sie, cook. Past tense of it, siri, cooked. Siri, cooked. Rie, eat. Rie, eat. Riri, ate. Riri, ate. Sa, wash. Sa, wash. Sarah, washed. Sarah, washed. Ga, go. Ga, go. Gara, went. Gara, went. Bata, enter. Bata, enter. Batara, entered. Batara, entered. Kwuo, talk. Kwuo, talk. Kwuru, talked. Kwuru, talked. Remember, some people may write this kwuo, they will call it we, thereby removing this o and put a. It's just the same thing. It means talk. It also means talk. Cheta, remember. Cheta, remember. Chetara, remembered. Chetara, remembered. Chọpụta, discover. Chọpụta, discover. Chọpụtara, discovered. Chọpụtara, discovered. De, write. De, write. Dere, wrote. Dere, wrote. Dupue, pias. Dupue, pias. Dupuru, piast. Dupuru, piast. Some may remove this a and put o, thereby calling the word dupuo, dupuo. Whether dupuo or dupue